All right, so for this image, I'm just going to show you a very quick example, and for those of you that are doing product photography, this will actually help you, because I'm going to be removing this lady's hand on the image. So I'll show you how to do that as well. So back to color correction, right? I used HUE saturation and selective color, and I wanted to talk about the solid color adjustment and or the gradient map, but I think later on in the course of the class I'm going to talk about that, because it's under the ultimate retouch and the other retouching plugins. So it's just there. That's the method, the technique those plugins are using, the gradient map and the selective color adjustment. So don't worry about that. Let's continue with the main two. Just master the HUE saturation. Now I'm going to grab the HUE saturation because I want to correct the colors. On the image, you are going to see that some part of the baby's body is red while some part is yellow. Now, like I said, the two colors are red. They are skin tones color, so it's just having different shade and different hues. Okay, so just grab this hand tool if you don't know the color and select a place that's red. I'm going to select the hand, for instance. It's going to give you red. Now let's zoom out and let me zoom in. Now what you need to do now is to increase the hue. The first step, use this hand, select. The second step, increase the hue. Once you increase the hue, you are going to see the shades of color that we have. Look at the lady's hand. That's when you know that we have color variation. Look at, we have some greens, we have some blues, and look at the baby's body. We have some blues, we have some kind of greens on the body. So I'm going to take it backwards. So next thing, increase it. Select with the hand, increase the hue. Now the next thing you need to do is to use the slider. Now I'm going to use the slider because I want to correct the red instead. So I'm going to select the red. Let's take it backwards till we have the red only selected. So something like this, or before and after. So the red on the baby's body is selected. You can see that the rest part looks very nice, but the other parts that are selected are the red, which is needing correction. So what you need to do is to bring back the hue to 0 and put some yellows to it. When you take it backward, you are putting red. When you take it forward, you are putting yellow. Just start increasing the slider where it seems fine to you. You are going to know. So don't overdo it. Sometimes don't go beyond 30. It start to look fake when you start going beyond 30. So I'm just going to go ahead with 23 or 24. So we have it like this, before and after. So those are gone, and you remember you need to use your brush tool and turn it off. You're going to see that the lips red, which is one of the beauty of the image. I'm going to make sure the foreground color is black, and then I'm going to paint over the lips like this, and paint over the lips like this, and we have our red color. So it depends on what you want. If you want to make the baby blush, you can decrease the opacity of the brush to somewhere like 16, increase it, and make sure you choose a very soft brush, and you can just give the baby blush like 1 and give the baby blush like 2. I'm gonna give the baby blush here 3 and give the baby blush here 4. So that's for color correction, so you can see the difference before and after. All right, so that's for that.